Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll take a look at Gale Business Entrepreneurship, a database designed to help you plan, start, fund, and manage a small business. Whether you're working on a class assignment or exploring real-world business ideas, this resource gives you a step-by-step guidance and practical examples. To access a database, you'll first need to click Services and Resources from the Bakersfield College homepage. Scroll down just a little bit until you get to Library. Click that. Then scroll down until you come to Research here. Click that. And then you're going to click Find all of our databases with A to Z databases. From here, for the course or topic subject, you are going to select Business and Economics. Then click Filter. Then you could scroll down just a little bit, and here we are. It is currently the fourth one listed, Entrepreneurship, one file, Gale Business Entrepreneurship, the fifth one. That's the one we're looking at. So click that one. And at this point, you will be prompted to enter your BC credentials, so always make sure to sign in so that you can fully access the database and all its materials. On the database homepage, you'll see a clean layout organized around major stages of entrepreneurship. At the top is the basic search bar, where you can look up topics like business plans, marketing, legal structures, or funding options. You will also notice a topics of interest carousel right here in the middle of the page, featuring trending small business subjects. These are useful if you're not sure where to begin. And if you go down just a little bit further, you will see here that there are four main categories on the homepage. There's Plan, which includes budgeting, business ideas, business plans, market research, and other planning tools. Fund, where you can find information about loans, grants, venture capital, self-funding, and small business administration resources. There's Start, which covers legal structures, licensing, home-based businesses, franchises, and early-stage decision-making, and Manage, which include marketing, sales, employees, technology, and strategies for running or growing a business. Each category leads to curated topics with articles, guides, and sample documents. If you use the search bar, results will include a mix of business plans, reference articles, magazines, news, videos, and interactive guides. So I will just show you that here. Just search small business. We'll just go to the Trending Small Businesses Guide. So once you go here, you can see that there's an overview. So if you want to read more, you could click the Read Overview tab. That. We even have citation options here. You can easily copy and paste those. But on the topic pages, as you can see, we can look at business plans. We can look at the recommended resources they give to us. We could even specifically look at magazine and journal article resources, websites, news sources, audio, video, directories, and they're all listed here as well. And so one of the most valuable features are the business plans. So the business plans allow you to access real and sample business plans, which can give you a concrete model for structuring your own assignment or proposal. These plans often include company descriptions, market analysis, financial projections, and operational strategies. So if you want to, just to show you how that would look, if you click one of those, it will take you here where you can see the executive summary, industry analysis, market analysis, so on and so forth. Not every single one is going to be exactly the same, but most of them will contain all of these sections that you can then click to be taken to in the overview. Additionally, if you wanted to cite this particular resource for your project or assignment, you can click the Cite button here, which will generate citations for you in MLA, APA, Chicago, or Harvard. And I'm just going to go back to the main page to show you a few more neat features of the database. So you'll notice here on this little bar, there's a glossary, which could be very helpful. So this you can use to look up unfamiliar business terms. They're all listed here, so you can browse at your discretion, or you can just look up whatever it is you need to look up. So you can do that using the glossary. Additionally, there is a Browse Topics section specifically. And here you will see the business topics. You can choose from any of the ones provided, or you can take a look at the different curated sections, such as business topics, business types, specific how-to resources, such as how to start a small business, how to write a business plan, so on and so forth. And then there are also additional resources, which you can find under the Additional Resources tab, including a SWOT template and Business Plans Handbook template. And to show you how the advanced search works, you can click the advanced search button here under the main search, and here you can search by keyword, NAICS code, the document title, document type. You could also look for the company name, brand name, publication title, a lot of fields for you to help make your search more precise. And additionally, you can select if you want full text documents, only peer-reviewed journals, whether or not they contain images, which is not too important, I would imagine, but you can also select content type, whether you specifically want audio, business plans, directories, magazines and journals, so on and so forth. And you could also do the same for document type here if you want to specifically look at advertisements, articles, business plans, clinical reports, so on and so forth. There are a lot of options available for you. So that's an overview of Gale Business Entrepreneurship. It's a practical, easy-to-use database that supports business plan creation, startup research, funding questions, and also day-to-day management topics. If you have any questions or want help finding resources for your project, please don't hesitate to reach out to me or any other friendly BC librarian. We are here to help.